Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a reading on person on your mind. Okay. So this is a general reading, guys, for all the signs, and it is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading may have some insights for you. As I said, this is a general reading, guys. So please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to me via email, and my email ID is mentioned in the description of this video and also in my channel's info. All right, so let's see what do the cards have here. Okay, what are the energies? How does this person see you? How does this person see you? Think of the person. Maybe this person randomly keeps popping up in your head out of nowhere, okay, for no specific reason. So let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. Please clarify, Queen of Cups. How does this person see you? Please clarify, Queen of Cups. Wow. Queen of Cups, King of Swords. Please clarify. Queen of Cups says, how does this person see you? Okay. All right. So this person see you as someone, जिसके साथ ये emotionally connect कर सकते हैं. They see you कि, who is very emotionally stable, mature. आप बहुत loving और caring vibe देते हो आप इस person को, okay? And also they feel like you have this very, charismatic personality of being logical also. Not only you don't take decisions on the basis of emotions, आप logically भी decisions लेते हो. You are very clear in your communication. You are having that, that vibe, that frequency of, how you should be treated. Okay, it's like you respect yourself, and that is what you see. And this quality of you is somewhere, this person is very attracted to you. You know how to set clear boundaries. You are not afraid of speaking what you feel like. आप बहुत लॉजिकली, बहुत प्रैक्टिकली और बहुत क्लियरली अपने फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करते हो. मे बी दिस पर्सन इज इन योर वर्क प्लेस एंड दिस पर्सन इज रियली इम्प्रेस्ड बाय हाउ यू handle your work or your project or whatever it is, right? And with this person, this person feels like, there is a soulmate kind of energy. Basically this person somewhere connects with you. बोलते ना कि एक घर, they feel like home, all right, when they think of you, or they see you, they meet you, or they whatever, if you are talking, I don't know. So it's a general reading, so I can't really go in that detail. So this person, feels home with you, all right? Wow, it's a very good energy. Emotionally stable, someone who is logical as well, and someone who makes them feel home. Okay. Maybe they also feel nostalgia with you, like they can be, childlike. They can play around with you, they can, joke and, have fun with you. That kind of energy also they get with you, which is, very rare. आप हर किसी के साथ friendly नहीं हो सकते हो, आप हर किसी के साथ open नहीं हो सकते हो. तो अगर कोई आपके साथ friendly हो रहा है, open up हो रहा है, they are not afraid of being judged. That is the best kind of connection, I feel. All right, good. Let's see what are they are hiding. What are they hiding? Okay. All right. What are they hiding here? What are they hiding here? What are they hiding here? What are the feelings which are not shared? What are they hiding here? Okay, and card flipped. What are they hiding here? What are they hiding here in this connection? What are they hiding from you? What are the feelings they have not shared? Okay, wow. Queen of Swords. What's happening? All the queens are coming out. Beautiful reading. Yeah, let's clarify the Queen of Wands as what are they hiding? Their hidden feelings. Okay, one more please. What are they hiding? What are they hiding from you? They are not sharing with you. Please clarify the Queen of Wands. They are someone who keeps you on a pedestal, okay? They see you someone who is deserving of all love, respect, This person sees you. Wow. Yep. There is love, definitely. There is definitely emotions. There are feelings in this connection. This person may not be expressing it with you with the fear of being, not sure of how to express it to you, but they see you someone who is very charismatic, as I was saying. Okay, very passionate, very logical, and someone who knows how to, be focused and nurtured, providing that nurturing energy. You are passionate towards your work, all right? This and this somewhere make you more charismatic, and this person is very attracted to you. They are planning to make a move towards you, all right? They want to take this connection to the next level and express their feelings to you. There is definitely a proposal coming in for you from this person. There is a very strong energy कि ये person आपसे अपने feelings को express करने के लिए it's like ready to express. They are just maybe waiting for the right time, because there is definitely love in this connection. Beautiful energy. I'm really, wow, it's like a wow. This energy is making me feel good. All right, let's see what ties you both together. What ties you both together? This person definitely sees you someone who is deserving of love, respect, and everything they can provide to their person. Okay, they want to take things to the next level. This person definitely wants to take the things to the next level. All right, let's clarify the Death card as what ties you together. Let's clarify the Death card. Please clarify the Death card. Please clarify the Death card. Okay, one more I need. Please clarify the Death card. So what ties you together? Okay, so I see you both have gone through something in your life which was a turning point in your life. Something was painful, something which ended and which was not easy to deal with, and you both have gone to that that phase. You have both have gone through that phase. आप दोनों उस phase से गुजर चुके हो जिसने आपको has given a new perspective to see things. आपका चीज़ों को देखने का नज़रिया बदल गया है. You have kind of gone through a transformation in your life. एंड आपने यू डिड नॉट गिव अप. आपने हार नहीं मानी, वो जो भी सिचुएशन थी, एंड यू आर बीइंग पैशनेट टूवर्ड्स योर गोल. यू हैव दैट फायरी एनर्जी टू अचीव थिंग्स, एंड you are looking for something which is more stable, more secure, and you both have somewhere have kept your guards up. That is also I am getting. You are not ready to open up so easily, and that is why maybe this person is waiting for you to to put your guards down so that they can come and express their love to you, their feelings to you. That is what I'm getting. You both have gone through some kind of a difficult phase in your life. आप दोनों ने एक ऐसे फेज को पार किया है जिससे आपका पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत चेंज हो गया है चीजों को देखने का. मे बी इट वाज, आई डोंट नो इफ इट वाज अ रिलेशनशिप, इट वाज a finance related issue, it was a job related issue, it was something which was very painful, something ended which has given you a new life and a new perspective to see things. And that is what is common, because now you both are mature enough to handle the things in a mature way with so much of understanding, and being passionate towards your goal. You are not looking for something desperately. Okay, it's like you are ready to work on your own goals. If the things comes in, you are ready somewhere to move ahead in your love life. But right now you are not completely focused on love. You are focused on your own respective goals. Okay, yeah, maybe you are focused on your finances to have a long-term stability. You are more focused on your finances rather than the love part, and that is what is common in both of you. Maybe there are very good chances that this person is someone in your workplace. There are very good chances that someone in your workplace, and yeah, the energies are common here. Okay, let's see what stands in the way. What are the blockages here? why the person is not coming ahead. What are the blockages here? Why this person is not coming ahead? What are the blockages here? Okay, Lovers. Please clarify the Lovers card as the blockage. Please clarify the Lovers card as the blockage. Okay. One more, please. Please clarify the... Okay. All right. I see that, somewhere you or this person or you both may be, having this concern of understanding whether it's a temporary thing or a long term thing, because you are looking for something which is long term, and you're not interested in wasting your time and energy in something which is just a casual stuff. Okay, so आप दोनों का कहीं ना कहीं, that's what I was saying, आपके guards आपने up कर रखे, you have kept your guards up so that nothing can hurt you like past, and now you both are in this mindset ki I'm not looking for something which is temporary. I'm looking for something which is a long term thing, and I don't want to be in this energy of, not able to decide what to do. All right. For very specific of you, there are chances that this person is already with somebody else. All right. One person, right? That person is already with somebody else, and, somewhere they are not sure whether that connection or the past connection or the past person, they want to leave that connection completely and come towards you, or how will they able to balance things, maybe work life or a personal life. For very specific of you, I am getting that this person is already having somebody by their side. There are very good chances of a third party connection here. There are very good chances of a third person being involved, and that is why this person is not able to decide. Or maybe, as I said, work life अपने, maybe they are also not sure कि जो past में हुआ है, अगर वही चीज फिर से हो गई तो, that kind of thoughts are also running, and that is why they are in this loop, not able to come to a conclusion, and they are overthinking. There is this overthinking energy, maybe from your end, maybe from this person's end, and you may find it difficult to open up. You may not be so easily communicating what you are actually looking for. You're not able to express properly, and you're just kind of creating different kind of scenarios, if and buts in your mind, instead of actually communicating, actually speaking. But there is this attraction, and you are somewhere afraid of getting into a casual stuff when you are looking for a long-term stability. Yep. Yes. Somebody wants to make a move. There is this energy of coming forward with passion, with courage, with clear-cut communication. But that is not happening because there is this lack of, clarity. Clarity in what do you want from this connection or from this person. Okay. Once you have the clarity, or once this person have the clarity, you will see the things moving ahead in this direction. Okay, let's see. What are the near future energies we have? What are the near future energies we have? Okay. Please clarify the Temperance card. Please clarify the Temperance card. Please clarify the Temperance card as the near future energy. Please clarify the Temperance card as the near future energy. As I said, there is a strong chance that there is a third party involved in this connection. Okay, so this person is trying to create a balance, all right? Create a balance between the things they are dealing with, okay? Yeah, this person will be communicating to you their emotions. It can be through a mutual friend, or it can be directly. Now it depends on case to case how it is. And also I see that, they will try to come with an energy of creating a balance, But see how it is going on in your case, how it is connecting in your case, because there is a third party involved. And if you are not looking for something which is casual, you need to be very careful with your decision. Okay, this person may express their emotions, their attraction towards you, but you need to be clear on what you are looking for. Okay, if you are looking for something long term, then be very clear about it. Okay, be very clear about your goals, your object, what is that you are looking for in a connection, rather than just listening to them and falling for their words. Don't do that. This person may be very mature, very confident when they are expressing, and you might feel that how can somebody be so mature and so stable and so humble. All right, so much of someone with so much of loving energy, just by how they are communicating. Don't be taken away by that. Be very clear on where this connection is going ahead in your life. All right, where it is taking you ahead in your life. Only then take a decision, because there are very good chances that this person is trying to find a middle way out for a situation or from a situation, so that they don't leave. If there is a third party, they don't leave that, and they don't leave you either. So it's like trying to sailing two boats together. All right, that kind of energy I'm getting. It can be for very few, again I'm saying, but yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Okay, let's take one guiding message for you. Let's take what is the guidance we have for you. Later on we will also take one message from the oracle deck. Yeah, be independent, be very clear. Okay, listen to your intuition, listen to your what your gut is saying, and only then take a decision. Don't let something else to to dominate you, or try to take the driving seat in your life. Okay, just be careful, be independent, be free to decide what you want, because there is a communication coming in for sure. All right, it can be from this person, and also I see there can be a communication coming in, a good news coming in when it comes to your work life. All right, so when there is a there are very good chances कि when you are getting something, आपके करियर में कुछ पॉजिटिव हो रहा है, तभी ये पर्सन आ रहा है, and maybe you may miss that opportunity because of this kind of connection. Okay, so be very clear about what you are looking for, and accordingly listen to your intuition, and then take the decision. All right, because this person is coming, they have pure intention, no doubt. They see you somebody who is very loving, very clear, very logical, very charismatic, very passionate, and they are having emotions towards you, but there are very good chances कि कोई third party है, and they want to keep you and the another person as well. So just be mindful of whom you are dealing with and how you want to move ahead. Okay, let's see what is the guiding message we have for you. One guiding message please. What is the advice we have? What is the advice we have here? What is the advice we have here? Okay, we have two. Strong. Oh, sorry, stag. It's like trust and thrive. As I said, listen to your intuition and only then move ahead in your life. Okay, if something is making you trying to take the control of the things, don't let that happen. Trust your skills, trust yourself, trust your talent, trust in your intuition, and only then take the decision. Okay, it's like a fire guardian. Ignite your passion. As I said, work towards your goal with passion. Don't let the things try to take control of you, or don't let other people take control of you. All right, so that you can get distracted from your passion, from your work, from your goal, and later on you might regret it. Okay, so just focus on what is important for you, how you need to deal with this situation or with this person, whoever is coming in, and then take the decision and take the call. All right, so this was a reading, guys. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.